Hey, this is MT from VTSB, and this cool guy next to me is my father from different parents. It's John Chabot, and we wear same jacket by accident, right?
That's right, purely by accident.
And today, John Chabot will give us a basic tour of these Zenith carburetors.
Zenith
Zenith
32 NDIX.
Okay, so tell me about the history about this
Okay, so these carburetors were used as dual carbs on the 356 Porsche.
Yes.
And then Volkswagen guys that wanted to drive off-road, they figured out that these floats worked really good.
Okay, so it's for off-road.
These kind of floats work really good for off-road.
More stable.
So they adopted this carburetor as a single carb.
Yes.
On a 2-barrel manifold to work on some of the smaller engines, you know, like the 1200 and 1300 and 1500. Worked really good.
So you mean it's back in 80s or 70s?
Whole 70s.
Wow.
Way back to the 70s. So, but you have to jet them a lot differently, set up different, and have just the right kind of manifold. So what we're doing now is we're setting this one up to work on a bigger engine, though, a 2-liter. So what we did is we changed the Venturi to a little bigger size. Comes with a 24.
Okay, let me take video.
Yeah, the Venturi.
So we changed from 24 to...
This is the smaller one.
Yes.
And we changed to 28.
Okay, 24 to 28.
It's a bigger engine. And so we changed some jet sizes and made it a little bigger.
So this carburetor is like a single carburetor?
Single carb.
Okay, so it's a good idea for off-road.
And an isolated tube manifold.
I see.
They used to, in the old days, they used to run them on a plenum manifold where the chamber was all connected, but
yes,
eventually people found out the separate tubes worked a little better.
So if our YouTube friend needs some help of this Zenith, can you help?
Sure, except you can't get parts for these carburetors anymore.
but I see you have lots of parts right here.
Well,
your parts department.
We have a few parts here for the Zenith.
Yes.
A few used parts.
Yes.
And we sell the rebuild kit. You can get the rebuild kit at least.
Okay, so how people can find you? Can you?
They can find me at my website on toplineparts.com. Or
yes.
They can give me a phone call if I'm in the shop.
Okay, can you tell us your phone number?
Phone number 714-630-8371.
Okay, thank you so much, and I hope our YouTube friend can contact you if they need to rebuild their Zenith.
Okay.
Thank you.
Try and help them out.
Good night.